What if the way you consume turmeric is the key to unlocking its full potential? Some swear by eating it raw, while others believe cooking it enhances its benefits. But what does science say? Should you be tossing raw turmeric into your smoothies or simmering it in your curries? The answer isn't as simple as you might think. While raw turmeric is packed with powerful nutrients, cooked turmeric could actually be more effective at delivering those nutrients to your body. Some say raw turmeric is best, while others believe cooking it makes it even more powerful. But what does science really say? The truth might surprise you. Stick around as we break down the benefits of raw versus cooked turmeric and reveal the best way to get the most out of this super spice. Understanding turmeric. What makes it so powerful? Turmeric is widely known for its active compound curcumin, which is responsible for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting properties. However, there's a catch. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. This is where the debate between raw and cooked turmeric comes in. Some nutrients are heat-sensitive, while others become more bioavailable when exposed to heat. So, is raw turmeric the best way to consume it, or does cooking unlock even more of its power? Let's find out. Have you ever used turmeric in your diet? Do you prefer it raw or cooked? Let us know in the comments. Raw turmeric, the untouched nutrient powerhouse. Raw turmeric root is often praised for its natural and unprocessed form, meaning it retains all its vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Here's why raw turmeric has some unique advantages. High curcumin content. Raw turmeric contains curcumin in its most natural state, which means it retains its full potency. Rich in enzymes and essential oils. Raw turmeric is packed with volatile oils and natural enzymes that contribute to its healing properties. Supports digestion. The natural fiber in raw turmeric stimulates digestion and promotes gut health. Boosts immunity. The combination of curcumin, essential oils, and other phytonutrients makes raw turmeric a natural immune booster. Loaded with antioxidants. Raw turmeric contains a wide range of antioxidants that fight free radicals and prevent cell damage. Detoxifies the liver. Some studies suggest that consuming raw turmeric can support liver function and aid in natural detoxification. Promotes glowing skin. Thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, raw turmeric is also a powerful beauty booster for skin health. However, there's one major downside. Curcumin in raw turmeric is poorly absorbed by the body. Unless it is paired with black pepper or a healthy fat, most of its benefits may go to waste. This is where cooking might help. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Cooked turmeric. Does heat unlock more benefits? Cooking turmeric can alter its chemical composition, but not necessarily in a bad way. In fact, research suggests that heat enhances curcumin's bioavailability, making it easier for your body to absorb. Here's how. Curcumin becomes more absorbable. Studies show that light heat exposure enhances curcumin absorption, allowing your body to make better use of its anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces bitterness. Cooking turmeric mellows out its strong taste, making it easier to incorporate into daily meals. Works well with healthy fats. When cooked with oils like coconut or olive oil, turmeric becomes even more bioavailable, helping your body retain its benefits. Less digestive irritation. Some people find raw turmeric harsh on the stomach, but cooking softens its impact on digestion. Activates additional compounds. Cooking turmeric may enhance the presence of other beneficial compounds, making it even more effective in reducing inflammation. Blends easily in meals. Many people prefer the smoother consistency of cooked turmeric, which makes it easier to incorporate into soups, teas, and curries without the strong earthy taste of raw turmeric. Enhances joint and muscle recovery. Cooked turmeric is often used in traditional medicine for relieving joint pain and speeding up muscle recovery. Where are you watching us from? Drop your location in the comments below. Nutrient breakdown. What happens when you cook turmeric? Although cooking can enhance absorption, it may also reduce certain nutrients in turmeric. Here's what happens. Curcumin levels may decrease slightly. Prolonged high heat can break down curcumin, so it's best to cook turmeric at low to medium heat rather than boiling it for long periods. Essential oils may evaporate. The volatile compounds in turmeric can diminish with high heat, reducing some of its healing properties. Some antioxidants are lost. Like with many vegetables, excessive heat can destroy heat-sensitive antioxidants. So, while cooking turmeric makes curcumin more absorbable, excessive heat may lower the overall nutritional profile. The key is to use gentle cooking methods like light sautéing or simmering. Which one is better for inflammation and pain relief? If you're consuming turmeric for chronic inflammation, joint pain, or arthritis, you'll want to maximize curcumin absorption. Studies suggest that cooked turmeric paired with black pepper and healthy fats works best for reducing inflammation. Raw turmeric can still be beneficial but is best paired with black pepper or blended into smoothies with healthy fats. Cooked turmeric is more effective for long-term inflammation management because it is better absorbed by the body. If you're using turmeric for inflammation, consider adding a pinch of black pepper and some coconut or olive oil to help your body absorb more curcumin. Are you enjoying this comparison? Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Turmeric powder, does it still have benefits? Most people use turmeric powder rather than fresh turmeric root. While it is convenient, turmeric powder is usually processed at high temperatures, which can degrade some of its beneficial compounds. However, when used correctly, it still has powerful health benefits. Turmeric powder retains curcumin but may lose some essential oils. It is more concentrated than raw turmeric, meaning you need smaller amounts to get the same benefits. It is easier to use in cooking, smoothies, and golden milk. To get the most out of turmeric powder, make sure it is organic and minimally processed. Adding black pepper and a healthy fat will ensure you absorb the maximum amount of curcumin. Best ways to consume turmeric for maximum benefits. Now that we know the strengths and weaknesses of raw and cooked turmeric, here are the best ways to incorporate both into your diet. Use raw turmeric in smoothies, teas, or juices. Pair it with black pepper or coconut milk to enhance absorption. Use cooked turmeric in soups, curries, and stir-fries. Light cooking helps improve curcumin bioavailability. Make golden milk by combining turmeric powder with warm milk, black pepper, and a healthy fat. Take turmeric supplements if you want a concentrated dose of curcumin, but ensure they contain black pepper extract, piperine, for better absorption. Have you tried turmeric in different ways? What's your favorite method? Let us know in the comments. Raw or cooked? Which one should you choose? Both raw and cooked turmeric have unique benefits, and the best choice depends on your needs. For maximum curcumin content, raw turmeric is best, but you need to pair it with black pepper or fats for proper absorption. For better absorption and anti-inflammatory benefits, cooked turmeric is superior. Light heat enhances bioavailability without destroying too many nutrients. For convenience and versatility, turmeric powder works well. Just make sure to choose high-quality organic turmeric powder. To get the best health, include both raw and cooked turmeric in your diet. Whether you blend it into a smoothie, stir it into a curry, or sip it in golden milk, turmeric is a powerful natural remedy that can support your overall health. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health insights and natural wellness tips. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.